You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this fast food chain, American originally but international now. British English pronunciation, Burger King. Fast food restaurants, Burger King. American English pronunciation, if you want to say it the way they say it in the US, Burger King. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.